YouTube, Facebook, we're on a town garage job today for a client that was a referral for Mr. and Mrs. Patty and Morris Branch. Thank you guys for the referral. We got about 600 square feet at $2 a square foot for a clean and seal. And then we also sold them our spray and walk away AO cleaning spotter that they love for coffee, wine, tea, and urine. They love that. They bought a gallon and also a spray bottle of that. So yeah, guys, we got what we got going on. We're in Arnold, Missouri today. We got 2 other books today. Happy Tuesday. And yeah, they're doing the clean and seal of 600 square feet at $2 a square foot. It's gonna be a good day, guys. Hope you guys are having a great one. Stay tuned for some more results. And as always, don't forget to hit the bell, like us on these platforms here. And yeah, it's gonna be good. Stay tuned.
All right, this is why we do what we do, guys. Before you explore it, let AO restore it. Do this, guys. Look at that. Wow. All today. Six 593-8102. All right, guys, check this out. Look at that. See that? What do you think? Isn't that amazing? Alright, Facebook, YouTube, another prime example why you need to get your tile clean. Look at that, guys. Call AO together. AO. Alright, guys. That's enough. Alright, guys. We're out here in cleaning. If you guys need this service, this is a tile and grout cleaning. And then we're going to seal it when we're done. So if your guys' grout looks like this, give me a call. We do it all. Before you floor it, let AO restore it. We'll put this house in the market. And we're getting it clean and protected. Get it to the original state. We've already done that. We're going to do this. Give us a call. 618-593-8102 or visit us online at www.aoclean.com.
We are just overjoyed with how well it turned out. Ryan and Noma did a great job. It's almost embarrassing how dirty the floor was, and now it looks beautiful. And Ryan has just been a great experience, and I would recommend him and his company to anyone. Wouldn't you agree?
Absolutely. The 2 areas that were worked on were we had no idea how
Dirty they were.
Yeah.
Until
the cleaning, until Ryan and Noma were able to put their expertise to work, and it was absolutely a great experience working with both of them. I would
highly
recommend them to anybody, any home, anytime.
any type of flooring,
It's all worth the cost.
if you want to know, call us and we will give you a reference because they did a great job.
Oh, we appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Guys, you heard from them themselves. They are so excited. And again, if you have this need for a service, give AO a call. We can do it all. Also, one more little bonus is we did provide them with a bottle of our signature AO Spotter. Guys, real quick, tell them of your wow factor on that. Did you guys like that product I provided for you?
Big wow factor.
Oh, holy cow. I wish we would have known about it years ago because of our dogs and having accidents. We rubbed, and this product that Ryan gave us is just awesome.
Awesome, guys. And the product that they're speaking of, I'll just show you, is this product here. It's my spray and walk away. And they are so excited. They also got a gallon of my product here. Look at that. So they're excited. They can refill it, and they're good to go. Well, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for your testimonial. And I hope you sell your house quick. And call me if you need me in the future.
We'll do it. Thanks.
Thank you.